In today's video, we are going to be installing some new parts on the Project Clio. When you see a Facebook advert of parts you want, but they're 3 hours away, this is what you do. You rent a van, you drive 3 hours, you pick up the parts, and you drive 3 hours home via McDonald's. And that's what we did to get these parts. Let me run you through the parts we got in a bit more detail. As you can see, very exciting race car parts. But Cobra Monaco Pro bucket seats, 2 of them, £250 including the side mounts, and they are in very good condition, no rips, no tears. They basically look brand new. I don't even think the guy used them that much, but hey ho. We've got the half cage back here, not sure on the brand. It's silver though, which is what we wanted, because in the Clio you've got a silver strip along the dash. We wanted to match it, and we're gonna have some silver wheels, so it's all gonna be cohesive. But big half cage, and yeah, basically we got that with the side mounts and the John Foz low mounts. So basically where the side mounts can bolt to the floor, basically. They're the lowest mounted seat rails you can get, or seat mounts. I'm saying a lot of words. And then all we need is some harnesses, and we've got a race car.
God help me, I got a race car, but it's going to be fun.
Now, to get started to install those things, we need to strip out the interior, which is something we want to do anyway, so perfect, let's get started. Right, update, back seats are out, rear bench is out, seat belt for the middle is out. We had to take it off here. There's a little connection up here. We had to get in there to take the whole buckle out, which you can see down here. The whole seat belt was removed. Was a bit of a pain, only because it's hot. Generally speaking, it's quite easy. Next up we have, you might notice these wires that are in the boot. Someone used to have a subwoofer. So there's cables all over the show, so we're gonna rip those out, save those extra grams, you know, for lap times. Next up, we're gonna move to the front seats, take those out, and then we should start getting the cage in, getting the side mounts in for the buckets. So unfortunately, to remove the front seats, as you can see, you have to jack up the car because it bolts up rather than down. Any other car I've ever dealt with, the seats go like that. You can just get to the bolt from the top, pull the seats out. French cars, the wonders of French cars. So yeah, we've got to go underneath, we can remove the bolts, and then we can take these seats out and then do the same. But we might go down if we can when we put the buckets in, but we'll see. So yeah, let's go. Okay, small issue we're having. This bolt holding this sort of cross member which holds the seats in is not OEM, so there's a nut on the other side. On this side, it just came out no problems and there was no nut. So right now Rob is under the car, I'm on top of the car, and we're trying to get to the bottom of it, which is right up in there awkwardly. So we've removed this now, which is being a bit stubborn because there was a bolt through there, which I'll show you. I'll do close up in a minute, which is not OEM, which someone's put in after taking it out before, probably been tracked before. Finally got it out, about 40 minutes. Anyway, also the front seats are now both unbolted from the bottom, like I said, weird way to do it. But now the front seats can come out, so let's get them out. It should just be a simple case of lifting it up and then bringing them out, easy as. And disconnecting whatever's connected. Airbag sensor, yeah. Ooh. Cut that. Step 1, disconnect. Oh, there we go. Aha! And then the seat can come out. That was annoying. It's all undone, so now we can take the seats out. Passengers out, let's get the driver's side out. And they're out. Ooh. So we've got the seat mount in on the driver's side, fed through the bottom again. Such a weird design, but it's in ready for the bucket to go in. We're just going to hoover it up now, clean it up, and then we'll start doing the roll cage before we move on to the passenger side. creaks, no rattles. Oh, fuck off. These seats have never been that before. Track car. Line that up, but we can do that. That's pretty much it, isn't it? Well, me.
Good. Guys, you need to follow. I'm thinking triangles right now.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
What? No.
Pythagoras, you know. The cage is in, as you can see, if we step through. Hello. We haven't actually done it up yet, but we've offered it up to the positions, and then we just need to get the bolts in, drill through the car, bolt it up, position it correctly, and we're all good. Race car. Just reinstalling the door cards that we took out. Don't know where you are. Oh, there. We might have to take the cage back out again, but maybe not. Almost definitely yes. I don't know why. For the cage. Oh.
We take this out.
Yeah, what? Are we just going to take it back out again? Cage is in. Door cards are back in. We took them out because we thought we had to move them to get the cage in. We don't. Fits up very nicely. Unfortunately, I don't know the brand of the cage because we bought it second hand, so I can't shut them out, but very nice fitting cage. Now we just need to do the fixings, fit it in. But we'll get a nice carpet here, make it look all nice and OEM plus, if you can say that with a roll cage and bucket seats. The sun's setting, we're calling it a day for today. The cage is in, not bolted in. Front seat mount's in. Passenger seat mount's not in, but yeah, like I say, we're losing sunlight, so we'll come back to this. But good progress, and it looks great. I love it. The next day, the car is in the air, the wheels are off, we're ready to bolt in the cage. We're just going to move the carpet slightly, make sure it's got a nice sort of OEM looking finish, so we can have it all nice and plush. You know, realistically, proper race car, competitive race car, you just strip everything out. So all the carpets, all the plastics, everything would come out. It's going to be a usable track car, potentially a weekend car. So we're going to leave the carpets in, cut it, make sure it's all nice tucked behind. So we're going to do that now. But yeah, ready to get it in. Pilot holes are drilled. So as you can see, every corner. Cage in, cage out, cage in, cage out, cage in, cage out. Now all the holes are drilled. We just need to paint up the holes so they don't rust. Even on a track car, you need to do that. And then we can start offering it up and bolting it up, basically. We're going to bolt the back ones in through the bottom, so the thread is on the inside. Obviously don't want it in your wheel well. We'll probably do it the other way on the bottom, but we'll probably use some copper grease or something to stop any sort of corrosion or any problems later on. Good progress. Yeah, let's go. Spray paint in question, satin black, Halford Special. As you've just seen, the bolts are all done up now and the cage is in, it's firmly in, it is fitted, it is mounted, it is safe, and more importantly, cool. Now we just need to put all the plastics back onto this area, cover up, put the carpet back, make it look all neat, and then sort out the bucket seats, but cage is in. So reinstalling the plastic, it's a bit of a pain in the arse because the cage is in now, and obviously this big piece here won't move to get this back in. Some fiddling required, but I think we'll get it back in. And reconnect up this light as well. buckets and the cage are now installed. We need new harnesses. Well, actually we need harnesses, new seat belts, because we can't drive at the moment. Can't use the stock seat belts with the bucket seats because there's nothing to clip it into. So unfortunately can't drive it. But yeah, very excited. It looks like a race car is almost ready to go on track. A few more mods. That special mod that we bought the other day, which I need to do a separate video on because it is very, very cool. Other than that, she's nearly ready for track. Drop subscribe. Let us know what you think we should do to Clios. If there's a specific mod that you think we must do, let us know. But other than that, yeah, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
God help me, I got a race car.
Yes, mechanic. Looking forward to taking this on track. Thank you for watching.